What's going on, gearheads? Welcome to Revline 89. So today I am doing a unboxing. I already opened it up just to make sure the product is in here and it wasn't damaged before I made the video. But we're doing showing you guys a high flow X pipe. I think it's by Wicked Flow. This is going to be for our 4.6 V8 Mustang build someday. If you guys are interested, you can pick this up for a good price. The link is in my video description where you guys can get this. But this is a beautiful X pipe, a high flow X pipe, Wicked Flow. So exhaust goes in, exhaust goes out. Overall, very nice. And if you're interested, there's a link in my video description where you guys can get this. Subscribe to Revline 89 if you guys want to see the future build.